I'm getting tired. My back aches. Oh Lord, I don't know. Woo, by the way, I finished my hair in 4 hours. Hey y'all, today's video I'm planning to do mini twist. Like I've always wanted to do a mini twist, and I'm also coloring my hair. Okay, no, hold on, it's not like I'm coloring like that. I'm using a temporary hair dye, so just want to use it for highlights. Let's see how it turns out. Okay, thanks for coming to my channel. It's me, saintdupsie, and let's get right into the video. Yep, I've sectioned my hair into how many now? 1, 2, 3, 5, 7 sections, because life is easier in sections, you know, when you plan it. Sectioning my hair makes it faster and easier for me to deal with. So let's begin the painting. Here is what I'm using. It's in red. Oh well, it changed the color. Let's see. Do I need to apply more? Okay. Like I'm not sure of what I'm thinking about right now. I don't even know, but I don't know if this color suits me. I'm just doing it. I don't know. Maybe I'm supposed to get a different color, but from my last wash day, I basically just put my hair in chunky twist, and that stayed in for like a week. So on this very day, the only product I'm using is the styling custard. Keep in mind that from my last wash day, I already put oils and all that in it, so I don't want to layer it the more. However, I sectioned my hair and then detangled it. So now today I'm putting a styling custard, just comb it through and then apply the hair color. Now the reason why I'm putting styling custard in it is to form a barrier between my hair and the color I'm putting in it, just to avoid any damage that this color might cause, because I don't know what's going to happen next, you get. But however, this temporary color is very creamy, full of oils and creams, and it smells coconutty. I kind of like it. Initially, I was using small amounts, but quickly realized that I needed to be heavy-handed with the color, and that's the only way the color can be visible. It's just going to be brown or sort of if I do not put enough color in it. But then, since it's creamy and comes off the hand easily, my hair began to look nothing like highlights. Almost the whole of my hair was covered as I applied, because it's creamy, and wherever my hand touches, the color sticks to it. So as you can see, it's almost like getting to the roots of my hair. So then when I apply the color, I'm going with the comb again to get the color well distributed. This color didn't dry my hair out. Like I said, it is very creamy, which means whatever this color touches, it sticks. So if your hair touch your white shirt, you're gonna. So I'm done putting on the color, and I've washed my hands. It's washed up nicely. I like it. I'm impressed about that. And this is what remains. I haven't used up to half. Or what is this? I'm going to go now and start putting my hair in twist. I don't know, maybe I'm going to spend like 5 or 6 hours, because I'm doing a mini twist. So yeah, I'm scared. I'm scared. I can't lie. I'm scared, and I can't wait to see how my twist is going to come out with this color here. I can't wait. I can't. Now let's start mini twisting. Boom. Yeah, 2 sections done in 1 hour. That's like 30 minutes for each section. I'm getting tired. My back aches seriously. So basically, I've been working in sections. Remember that my hair is in sections already, so I'll go ahead, put it in smaller sections so I can work with the hair I have. Like, life is just good in sections. Like, you plan your life, It's just so good. Everything kind of like fall in place. You see what's going on and you're able to do stuff perfectly well and efficiently. A close-up of what I'm doing. It's nothing spectacular. Split the hair into two, start twisting from the roots and make it tight right from the start, because by the time you drop the twist, when you're done, all the tension will reduce and some of the tightness will also reduce. I hope that makes sense to you. Remove any hair that might be getting in the way and just twist. Now I don't twist to the very end. I twirl it around my finger because untwisting might be a little difficult later on and that might get my hands tangled, and I don't want that. As I am trying to make the hair, I'm also trying to split it into equal halves so I don't have to borrow, because I won't remember where I have borrowed by the time I want to take it out, and that might lead to hair loss like tangles and all that. So I'm trying my best. I know I've borrowed here maybe like 1 or 2 twists already, but I just hope I'll be careful enough not to rip my hair off by the time I'm taking it out. So now, if you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up and drop a comment to keep your sister going. And you can feel free to go through my channel, watch my videos, and if you like what you see, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That is equally important. Thank you. I'm hoping that I'm able to wear this hair for 1 month. In fact, I better wear it for 1 month. If I don't, I won't even take the hair out. I won't lose it at all. I better wear it for 1 month or even more safe. Because right now I'm putting all these tiny things in my head, and by the time I want to take it out, I don't know who's going to help me. I'm not even sure if I will be the one to take it down myself. Maybe I'll just go to a salon, beg someone, give the person money or something. I don't know what's going to happen, because I'm not sure I'll be able to take this out myself. So you can catch me on my social media pages where I talk about self-love and natural hair. So let's hook up and chat on Instagram, Facebook, and okay, I don't want to say Twitter because I don't even know how to use Twitter. Please, I need lessons. The front part of my hair, this side, I had to take them pretty small because they don't have body like that. Even if I made the pattern bigger than this, they're still going to look like tiny like this. So I don't know what's going on over there, but I know they don't have body and they're just going to look flat. So the best thing not to make it look hard is just to cut it into small and just twist it. You know, sometimes you can be bored. Just hop on my blog at naturalsaintdupsie.com.ng. You'll love it there, I promise. Oh Lord, I don't know, send me message. Woo. When you get to this part of your hair, you want to be very careful. Number one, you want it to be very neat because it's the front part and that is what people will see first. Number two, you want to be very careful. You don't want to put stress on it because that forms the parts of your edges. Now for this front, the tiny hair and all, I'm going to use gel so that I can grab the small hair. So if you have grown-up edges or grown-up baby hair like I do, you want to be very careful. You don't want to put any stress on it. If you don't have, you can just separate your edges and then just lay it flat with gel or edge control something. Oh, allora Michelle, I don't know how many more hours I'm going to spend. Spent 2 hours, like almost 2 hours right now, and it doesn't look like I've done half of my head. If I finish this front part like this, I'll just go and sleep. Oh God, there is work tomorrow. Oh, I would have just left it and continue with it tomorrow. But man, there's work. There's work tomorrow. Why do I have to go to work? Like, really? Why do I have to go to work? I need money, Sha. Oh God, I'm super tired right now. I finished this year like several hours ago, but there was power outage and they just restored it. So I was like, let me just show you, because I'm seriously tired. By the way, I finished my hair in 4 hours, like exactly 4 hours. Man, I'm also proud of myself. Like, really, I thought I was going to use something like 7 hours or thereabouts, but then I finished in 4 hours. I'm so proud of myself. And about the color, I don't know how this hair looks right now. I'm looking at it in the camera, it's gonna look nice, but what I'm seeing in the mirror is horrible. I don't know, maybe when I see it in daylight. The color really rubbed off on my clothes. I don't know if you can see it, and my hands and all that, so I will be careful enough not to just put my hair down on my bed sheet like that, so it doesn't stain my bed sheet. I'm using more of my satin cap during this period. But by the time I see it in daylight, I'm going to know if I will leave this or maybe wash it off or add a little bit more if I think that it's not obvious enough, because I want it to be obvious. I want people to know that I colored my hair, you know. But just surprising that the whole color just kind of like mixed with my hair and I can barely see. Yeah guys, this is my hair. Woo! Give me a thumbs up. Like, yeah, give me a thumbs up. I really tried. In fact, if no one tells me that I tried, I know that I tried. I super tried. Babe, you tried. Saintdupsie, well done. Well done. You really tried. Well done. I'm proud of you. Let me turn around so you can see the back, and I can also see the back as well. I will see the back. I don't know what I look like. Okay, not bad. Let's do a quick lens check. And well, that is it, guys. This is my hair. I'm hoping that when I go to work, I'll be able to take pictures, because I can't take pictures this night. I'm so tired. My back aches, my arms aches. So if you're not following me on Instagram, I'll be posting most of the pictures on Instagram and how I wear it daily or weekly. I'm planning to wear a style per week. I should be able to do different styles with this hair, and I'm hoping that it lasts me for at least minimum of 4 weeks. Because I don't even want to start thinking of taking it down yet. I don't know how I'm going to take it down. I don't know. I just hope I won't get frustrated and put the scissors in it. But yeah guys, we are at the end of the video, and I don't know if you haven't liked this video yet. I don't know what you're waiting for. Please like my video. Okay, I'm begging you. Either you enjoy this video or you don't enjoy this video, but I really do hope that you enjoyed this video. So please, either ways, please click the like button. Also comment, let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you want me to do, what you want me to make a video about, how I'll maintain this here for the next 4 weeks. Let me know in the comment section. And then also if you haven't subscribed, this is important. I need you to subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. Yeah, so I'm not forcing you to subscribe. I just need you to subscribe if you like my videos. Okay, just click on the subscribe button, and if you are subscribed and your notification bell is not on, you need to turn it on so that you can know whenever I put up a new video. So You don't have to wait for me on Instagram to announce a new video, and you will be helping a sister by doing so, because the more you interact with my video, the more you like, the more you comment, and the more you share, click on subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, it's going to send a signal to YouTube, and YouTube will bump my videos up and more people will be able to see it. Happy sister, you. Happy sister. Yeah, so I'm saintdupsie, and I'm going to see you in my next video.